Hello YouTube friends. Well, I'm going to do a very quick unbagging today. This is something I got off of eBay. It is not classified as vintage. It's probably from like, I don't know, 2011. It's probably about 10 years old. And this is a Marc by Marc Jacobs bag. So they put it in an envelope, which I don't love. But then there's another envelope inside here. There we go. It's a padded one, so that's okay. And it's a tiny bag, but let's see. Here we are. Oh, cute. It's in nice condition. So this is the Marc by Marc Jacobs Percy, and it is from the classic Q line, like my Hilliard Hobo and my little Yukitas. And I love the size. It's great. Let me unzip it here and get the strap out. I don't usually do things without my tripod, but I thought I'd just do this quickly. So here's the strap. It comes with an adjustable crossbody strap. This is so cute. It's like a miniature version of the other straps for the little holder, but it says Marc by Marc Jacobs around that. So let me get this all put together, and then I'll give you a tour of the bag and show you what fits. Okay, so I have the bag here all cleaned up. I just went over it with a water wipe because it was in great condition. And then I conditioned it a little bit with some Coach leather conditioner, and it's looking good as new. It looks really pretty. This is a lot better condition than I thought it was from the pictures. So I'm just going to go over the bag with you. So the dimensions of this are really pretty generous for a little crossbody. It is 9.5 across, 5.5 high, and 3.5 at the fullest part at the bottom. So see how it has little gathers, and that's really similar to the other classic Q designs. This is about the same size, maybe a little bit bigger than the Marc Jacobs Carly bag, and that one was very similar in shape, although it had a flap closure and a chain on the strap. I really like the strap on this one. It is pretty thick for a little crossbody. And from this era, it was really popular to have the thinner straps, but this is more like a current bag as far as the thickness of the crossbody strap. It's really generous in length too. It is adjustable, but I have it on like next to the shortest setting, and it still goes past my hip. So if you're a taller person, the Percy would work really well for you. So it's got that Marc Jacobs Classic Q nameplate at the top here in brass, and this is in great condition. And then it has this little zipper that also has Marc Jacobs around it. And the strap is removable, which is nice. So if you wanted to put on a chain strap and kind of dress this up a little bit, you could. It's just really cute. I like it a lot. And because of the squishy, soft design of it, you can fit a lot more in it than you can with like a dinky or something. And I just added this little charm that I had. I think I got this from Amazon or something like that. But let's unzip it at the top. And the interior on this one is just black. I don't know if they also made these with that black and white Marc Jacobs material, probably, because he did go through some different, depending on the model year, they went through some different fabrics inside. And this has all the tags and everything inside. But look how much fits. So I've got my little origami pouch from Dress Up Your Purse with extra mess inside. Got my little wallet here, my large card holder from Dooney and Burke. And that's a pretty thick little guy, and that fit in there no problem. I've got my glasses in there. Pan out a little bit here. And then I also have the case representing my phone. So those items are the basics that I would need, and they fit in there perfectly. And then, like I said, the interior is just black. You've got the Marc by Marc Jacobs tag here, tags on the side, but there are no pockets. So it's just a very basic grab and go bag. I think this is going to be really super handy for like running to the store when you don't want to carry a bulky bag and get everything that you want inside. So I hope you liked this short video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.